Hey Scentsy friends, Jamie Jo coming to you here at Jamie Jo Sells Wax on YouTube. I wanted to come today to tell you guys about a super awesome, amazing deal. Now, it's something that I told you about in a video earlier this month, but I think it got a little lost in a lot of information. So I wanted to come to you with a shorter video today just to make sure that you are fully aware of the deal that is only on for maybe one more week. Just the rest of February, you can really score an amazing deal on Scentsy Laundry products. And I really fell in love with Scentsy Laundry, and I think you will too if you just give it a try. Now, here is why it's a really good time to buy your laundry products. Two things are joining in together to make a really good deal. The first being that most of the Scentsy catalog is 10% off in the month of February, and you only have a few more days to take advantage of that. But also, Scentsy threw out some information to us, and they let us know that a couple of our products will be increasing in price very soon at that new catalog on March 1st. And some of the laundry products are among those items that are going to jump up in the price. For example, our laundry liquid. This is our laundry detergent, and it's absolutely amazing. It is currently priced at $16. So in the month of February, you get it for $14.40. It's going to be increasing in price to $20. So when you score laundry liquid this month in February, you are saving $5.60. Another item that I absolutely love is our washer whiffs. Now, they come in two different sizes. This is the gateway opening size, and this is the addict size. I only buy it in this size now. It's just how it is. Now, let me show you these washer whiffs. They are like a salt crystal, and they smell absolutely amazing and wonderful. So they're gonna do the same things as those fragrance beads that you can buy at the big box store. But guys, they're Scentsy fragrance, so they smell freaking amazing. Let's talk about this. The small was $12. It will be increasing to $14. So get it now and save $3.20. The big giant tub was priced, or currently is priced, at $30. So this month you get it for $27. It's going to be going up in price to $34. So get it this month and you save $7. Now, I want to tell you about one other product because then I have the deal of the century. Like the deal of, I've never seen this deal for Scentsy laundry products before. These are a dryer disc. So a dryer disc is just a little plastic rubbery thing that smells amazing, that tumbles around in your dryer just to add a little more extra fragrance to your clothes. You get those 2 to a box for $7. Now, they're not increasing in price, so don't be stressed about that. But I want to tell you about them because we have a really cool package deal. The package deal is called Laundry Love. So you get one of the detergent, you get the addict size of washer whiffs, and you're going to get 2 boxes, which means 4 of these dryer discs. Now, this is a combine and save deal that we've had in the catalog, priced at $50. 10% off this month, guys, so you get it for $45. Now, with the price of these items increasing in March 1st, that deal will be increasing as well. It will be valued at $68 in the new catalog. The combine and save price will be $58, but still valued at $68. If you grab it this month, just a few days left, the month of February, you are going to get it for $45, and it is $68 value come March 1st. Get it now. That is a $23 savings. You better believe I am stockpiling me some laundry stuff at this deeply discounted price. Now, we have quite a few different fragrances that you can get it in. I'm gonna reach over here and grab my catalog so I can share those fragrances with you. So in the month of February, that's when you need to get it to get this deal. You can get it in the fragrances, no, not Glacier Water. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Black Raspberry Vanilla, Clothesline, Fiji Flower. That's my favorite for summertime. So go ahead and grab it now so you have it on hand for the summer. Fluffy Fleece, Jami Time, Lavender Cotton, Luna, Magnolia Linen, Pink Cotton, and this is my favorite for the winter time, it is the White Amber Antique. It is a great cologne scent, somewhat of an earthy, manly fragrance. So my husband really likes the White Amber Antique, but got news for him. As soon as summer comes, we're switching it back to the Fiji flower because I absolutely love it. For summertime, grab those now. Do not wait. This deal is only good to the end of February, and then all of those prices will be increasing on March 1st. Guys, if I like to do anything, it's save you money. So if you love Scentsy, if you love to save money, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm always going to share the best deals with you. My name is Jami Jo. You can find me on social media under Jami Jo Sells Wax on Instagram and on Facebook. Guys, if you have any questions anytime, you can always text me at 918-888-9690. Grab these now before that price goes up. Grab them at JamiJoSellsWax.com. If you want to do that laundry love bundle that I talked about, go to my tab that says specials. And you're going to find the combine and save there, and laundry love is going to be listed under that. Or you can even just go to the search function and type in laundry love, and you can find it that way too. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.